Hello everyone, this is Plavani and I'm back with the new concept in PySpark data reconciliation. So this is a very important question as part of interview that how you can perform data reconciliation and you can create your own framework. Data reconciliation is comparing source and target data, right? That we everyone know who all are working in ETL testing. Now, this is a very, favorite question of the interviewer, like how you can make a data reconciliation framework. Why it is needed? Because suppose today you are executing this date framework with this file. Tomorrow you can execute the same framework with different files. So it is a reusable. That is why we need this, ETL automation testing frameworks. One of the very important concept, data reconciliation, which we are going to talk about today. Now, as you guys already are aware of it, we are using Google Colab and how to access Google Colab and how to upload files in Google Colab has been mentioned in my previous videos in my YouTube channel, which is Plabani Tech. You can go and use all these videos and try to understand how we can use the Colab and upload the files in the Colab. After doing that, if you have any clarification, you can definitely comments, put the things in the comments. I will help you. Now, first thing is we are using PySpark.sql. Who is using PySpark first time? They have to install the PySpark. How to install PySpark? PySpark have been communicated in my previous video. It is pip install PySpark. Now, in this, you have a Spark session. This is a function presenting PySpark.sql library. Similar way, here we have a column. So we have to import this all. Now I am creating a Spark session. This all thing, like how to create the Spark session, this importing these things, I have again and again communicating in my each and every video. So please go through them and try to understand why these things are very important. So whenever you work on any PySpark code, first step will be to create the Spark session. So we are creating a Spark session and giving the variable name as a Spark. Now we are reading the CSV files through read.csv. So I have a source and target, both I am reading through. Then what we are trying to do? We are trying to do here reconciliation source.alias s dot join target alias t. So what I have done here, for source I have taken the name as a s, for target I have taken the name as a t, and I am doing the join on employee id. So we are trying to join here source and target. Okay, it's an inner join. Now we are trying to identify the differences. So reconciliation, which is this variable, all these values are stored under this reconciliation. Then reconciliation dot filter. Filter is the filter condition here where we wanted to check the source salary and target salary. If it is not matching, identify the difference and put it in the this variable. Now print the data reconciliation. Now difference dot select employee ID and print the differences between source and target. Dot show, and it will print the details. If you see data reconciliation result, so for 102, source salary is 50,000, target salary is 55,000. Okay. Here also it is showing 102, 50,000 and 55,000. So it is checking from both the file, source file and target file. Okay. From both the places, it is trying to identify the record. So from source and target, both the places, it is trying to identify where is the mismatches from the file. Now, if you wanted to check the schema validation. So I have a source, I have a target. I wanted to check the schema. For that, you will be using print schema function, and you can check if source.schema equal to target.schema. That will help you to identify the schema is matching or schema is not matching. So if I execute this, not this, you can see here. These are the source schema and these are the target schema, and it is printing that schema is matching. So this is a very important concept for everyone who is working on ETL automation testing, how we can do the reconciliation, data reconciliation, and how we can do the schema validation through our PySpark framework. Similar thing I have done for Pandas framework in my channel. You can go through them also so that you will understand what is the difference between Panda and PySpark as part of writing the code, right? Please go through them and let me know if you have any clarification, and the codes I will be putting inside the comment section for your references. Thank you so much. Have a happy learning. We will see you in a next video.